Hey guys, what's up? My name is Sidhikka, but you can call me Sid, and I'm doing something different today. Very different actually. I am doing my empties. Now, अगर तुम्हें पता नहीं empties क्या होता है, basically I'm showing you the stuff that I finished or used in the last few months. This is like a test. If this video does relatively alright, I think I'll continue with this. Finished the Palmer's Skin Success Anti-Fade Dark Spot Cream for Oily Skin. I think like a month ago, but I purchased this in June, July. This has retinol in it, and let me just explain ingredients. The reason why I was like, let me do these empties, because this retinol is kind of strong. I do use light retinol, and there's another Palmer's retinol oil skin product that I use. This actually peeled my skin, and retinol does peel your skin. If you have acne, it kind of helps with your acne. It kind of fades it. Retinol also is an anti-wrinkle, anti-aging cream, but it depends on the type of retinol. Not all retinol is the same. Some is just for anti-aging, some helps with wrinkles. There are different types of retinol at different percentages. So till you don't know, do not purchase something. And the reason why I like Palmer's is because they don't put fragrance, and if you're having any form of skin irritation or issue, I think fragrance is the last thing you should have in your skincare. Okay, this one's kind of interesting. The label is off because I like using the packaging for like different things. So this is a vitamin C serum from State Botanica. ये ना एक ऐसी चीज़ है, regardless of your skin type, your skin concern, I always suggest this because first up, it's good for people who have acne, alright, but more than that. So this basically has like a nice airless pump, and the best thing about airless pumps is that the product actually, you know, still doesn't get any contact with air and it remains fresh. The reason why I recommend it to any and every single person regardless of the skin type is because it's got niacinamide, it's got alpha-arbutin, it's got vitamin C, it has got no fragrance, it's 30 ml and it's an eye serum. Technically, it's formulated better to its counterpart because their actual vitamin C serum for their face is not the best. Let's keep it like that. Okay, the moment I finished these products, I made a video on it. These are like the Dotted Key Niacinamide Serum and the Hydro Peel Glow Potion. I hate them because they're average for the hype. They're really overhyped. They're slightly overpriced. The packaging is kind of cute, but then again, it's not like it's original or something like that. So people are really celebrating something that I don't think needs to be that celebrated. Oh, let me explain why you need these products. Oh god. So the reason why I suggest that vitamin C serum, the eye thingy, is because it has niacinamide. This has 10% niacinamide. Niacinamide has been most affected between 5 to 7%. 10% is like good, but most products now, like I even got a whole PR package from Lakme and all of the ingredients had niacinamide in it because it's kind of like, it helps brighten, it helps with your acne, it helps with your dullness. So people really like it. With vitamin C, the thing is कि it's unstable, तो बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाता है वो, and also air exposure is a big issue. That's why I like the airless pump in that. But niacinamide is a very stable form. You can put it with any skincare and it acts well. So that's why it's a great product, and there are lots of people who are making this. But I did not find this one that great. Also, it was too liquidy and it has fragrance. Why does this have fragrance? But anyway, the issue that I had with this though was for a peeling solution. So what a peeling solution is, it has AHA and BHA. BHA essentially breaks down all of your oil. It's oil soluble. So अगर आपको blackheads हो रहे हैं, अगर आपको acne काफी ज़्यादा होता है, so you can have something like salicylic acid. They come in different percentages. So this is 2% BHA, which on prescription, उसके without prescription उससे ऊपर नहीं जा सकते, ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. So AHA kind of helps with your wrinkles. You can keep it like that. So it helps with issues that are there on your surface. So resurfacing of your skin, let's keep it like that. Like AHA helps with the top layer of your skin, BHA helps go inside your skin and clean up and do stuff. Alright, so this is a nice peel. Any peel AHA BHA ki that you can find, you're supposed to use it for like 10 minutes. पहले मुँह धो with soap, then apply it for like 10 minutes maximum, like 5 to 10 minutes, and watch the directions जो भी आप tube लो, and then after that you have to wash it off with warm water. Don't use soap, and then use your normal skincare. Warm water इसलिए because most of these products has xanthan gum or some sort of a binding agent that's slightly thicker. It just helps clean it off much better. If you're using warm water, it helps break it down. Okay, these are two fragranced body lotions that I got. The first one is the Noirties scent from Victoria's Secret, and the next is Viva La Juicy from Juicy Couture body lotion. I adore this. This is my date night scent. Alright, so if I'm ever going out on a date or something like that, I wear this. I wear the perfume of this line, and I also keep the spray inside my bag. It is my favorite. It smells so sexy. This I had heard was a similar thing for this, and it had to be better, but I don't know. Viva La Juicy's products do not last on my skin, and I purchased them a few years ago. I feel like 3-4 years ago, and I was kind of like saving them and saving them and saving them, and I was not using them because I was saving them for only special occasions, and अब मुझे लग रहा है खराब होने वाले हैं, so I was like I need to use them. So now what I did was I emptied both the bottles along with half of my bottle of bio oil. I'll give a review before I talk about the rest of it. So bio oil I actually use on my legs. It is great for acne marks, not acne marks, but it's great for any marks on your legs. But bio oil doesn't actually help with stretch marks. It lightly fades the marks on your legs throughout the years. I just use it now not because I think कि actually मैं कुछ करता. I just use it because it's kind of like moisturizing, and I like oil that is moisturizing. That's the only reason why I'm using it now. Anyway, so I use half of this and I mixed it in this container. Okay, I made a video of me mixing like 2-3 more items inside this big container. So because it's like white, it has a pump, I'm going to use it on my body, and you know, it has the stuff that smells really nice. So yeah, I'm just going to enjoy myself. So that's the only reason why I did this, and I'm kind of happy about it. Alright, I don't have now like so many products because I also had half a bottle of this body lotion also kept. Very sexy from Victoria's Secret. This is just the body lotion, I didn't get the perfume. And I had like 3 of these items, and also half of a body butter from Nykaa which my mother left. She gave it to me. She was like, Sidhikka, I hate it, use it. I'm like, okay, I'll use it. I hate it too, but it's okay, it's fine. So I mixed all of them together and I was like, yes, I'll use it. If this is not going to be recording, I'll be very angry. Okay, now we're entering makeup section. So I finished 2 makeup removers, not because I actually finished them. Again, these 2 were lying around and I was getting very irritated and anxious. I don't know, is it because of the COVID, everyone's home? I am just getting so annoyed, so drastically annoyed with having so many things, okay? And I have a lot of stuff. So whenever I actually historically in the past went abroad, I would in my bag keep space, like आधा bag मेरा खाली जाता था, just so that I can like bring bullshit back. Not this, but like the Victoria's Secret stuff I showed you. These were 2 makeup removers. I actually cleaned them and I put them in another Victoria's Secret lotion bottle. I also finished that bottle and added it in this. So I was like, you know what, anytime now if I'm going to buy any makeup remover, I'll just put it inside that. It'll look nice, it'll be clean, it'll be sleek, I'll be happy. This sucked. I don't know why anyone uses the Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. Wow. It did not take off my mascara, which is my main reason for using a cleansing oil. Then the one that I love, that I purchased over and over again, and I've used a lot of things for actually removing my makeup, especially my mascara, the Maybelline Total Clean Express. It's the best. I've gone through so many of these. It never fails me. Anything new that I try, I'm like, why am I using anything else? This is the best, period. Okay, then we have Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in Family Jewels. So whenever I am working or I have an office call, like because now we're doing office calls, or you know, I just need to wear a neutral color that's not a red because I hate nudes. Ew, yeah, I hate nudes. Pinky colors, very light colors, I feel they wash me out. I don't know why they're so popular. I think they're stupid, but I really love this color, and this actually made me realize how much I like dark brown colors just in general, and I don't like wearing nudes. I finished liquid lipstick. It's a big deal for me. And continuing on my nude journey, this is the color that I'm even wearing. Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in the shade Total M Yours. Okay, so essentially I finished 4 nail polishes. I forgot to mention that. I really love Sally Hansen nail polishes. They last really long. Okay, so the second color that I finished is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in Truffle Shuffle. Then this is my mom's actually. This is Pink Cadillac Cure. Okay, I don't know how you pronounce that. And the last one that my mom and I both finished is Move Over. Ah, fuck, I ruined my nail polish. I know what to say. Okay, this is like a great tip for the record. If you ever ruin your nail polish, right, put your saliva on your tongue and use your finger to fix it. It might make it smoother and better. Might, not in all cases. I like it because it really lasts. Like, it lasts over 7 days, which is great. Even with my mother, they last really long. The colors are nice. These 2 are my favorite. Actually, Truffle Shuffle is my favorite, but I've worn it so much and I'm sick and tired of it. I finished a whole bottle of this in the past. This is my second one. I have a third one kept. I cannot wear this anymore. I'm sick of it. So I hope you like this video and I hope it does well. If it does well, then I think next time when I have enough shit that I've finished to complain about and tell you guys about, I'll do that. Okay, hope you guys like this video. Please follow me and bye bye.